MC Newman.
Hi Chief, we are side.
Small, never run too small. I hear say you be hype man.
On a normal levels.
If person die, you dey hype.
Now we dey run am Chief.
If person dey do bad day, you dey hype.
Chief, normally now we dey run am, nobody goes.
If person build house, you dey hype.
On a normal levels, Baba. We are side.
No, na inside shop we dey, we never reach outside.
Okay.
So no go give me where I no dey.
Yellow.
Yellow, I like that one. Now this shop was opened.
Okay.
For the good of all Nigerians,
okay.
But especially people living in River State, now, Port
Harcourt City as a whole.
As a whole.
What I'm saying.
I want you to show me how if I carry you come out and I say make you go hype somebody or somebody's shop or somebody's business. How are you going to hype? Use the name of this shop and what we sell here to do it. Let me see how you do it. Want to go?
All right, Chairman, hear me. Hey, yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Certify Global Limited, where we sell all kinds of perfumes, where we sell all kinds of cosmetics, and so on and so forth. Where you're gonna get your international and wonderful perfumes, roll-on, and everything that is gonna make you smell nice. Hey. Ladies and gentlemen, you can locate that here at 58.
Yeah!
58 in Soka Street, here in my one Port Harcourt City. Chairman, let me tell you, there is no need of going to UK, London, Dubai. Come here for Port Harcourt City. On a normal life for Sasena, we the run am. Tamona, we the run am. Tamona, we the run am. Ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are in Nigeria, you're not gonna go far away. Wherever you are in River State, you're not gonna go far away. Come here at Certify Global Limited. We gonna give you all the best, and we have it in assorted. Hi Chief, we are side. What I'm saying.
High Chief plus hype man.
Yeah,
I always say one most high God.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
You try.
Thank you so much. On a normal level.
You're a good hype.
Yeah.
You got him with high DP.
Oh, thank you,
and
sir.
You keep on hyping. Man, show him in the hype.
A German can joke in when they were very other side, you come down.
We want a guy, I won't tag it. Chamian.
I think I want to be thank you, sir.
You did well.
Thank you,
sir.
Your
voice is okay. And because of this, your voice will be heard all over.
Oh my God, oh my God. Thank you, boss.
Everything I have in your body.
Chairman, normally help in the flow for my body. On a normal level, if I want to flow, I go carry one perfume from fixing. I go spray for my body. I go to smell nice. I go to smell nice. One time, ladies and gentlemen.
Where you carry, go pay. Anything where you carry, from the reducing global limited, you go pay also. Forget say you be hype man. Which I don't have to give you.
On a normal level, let me tell you, even the owner of Certify is a verified personality. On a normal levels, he's looking to give me a perfume worth 1.2 million naira. Because normally, you know, so I go carry and go UK. I go do something extraordinary over there. We are side tonight.
Normal now. I give you the perfume 1.1 million.
Normally, if I think say na me and you follow, what's in the song?
We follow before. Man, I'm people na get I drop from the car you are in. So that only you did. This one we outside. I don't follow you that side.
You don't follow me that
inside shop I did.
No way.
Now we they run things. Now men they run things.
Oh my God. You know, so normally get us with the dancer for Casablanca. From Casablanca we come to the This is 58 in Soka Street in Port Harcourt City. This is my one. Normally, ladies and gentlemen, I and my father, we are outside tonight.
Is it like
Casablanca?
No,
normally Casablanca is in Europe.
When I don't hear the message, please take the message and forget about the deliverer. Now, take what is inside the container.
Oh my God.
And leave the empty container. Because this is the container. And the message he passed is the content of the container. This is the only place you will get your original cosmetics. And for your information, if you are dealing on supermarket, or if you have a big supermarket in this Port Harcourt City, this is the only place you can come and buy original. One thing that baffles me is that they don't sell fake. Anything what you see here, follow it to the end. If it is fake, arrest them, report them, sue them. Everything here is original. There is a perfume I bought here last time I visited Port Harcourt. That perfume, I have been taking my clothes to dry cleaner for several times, and the perfume is still smelling. Even though I have this natural, this one where they smell very catchy one, but still the perfume, and that one go mix up, go give me another order. This way you have odoretic and odotic. See you.